From Network Map, click on Wide Area Network. Under the DDNS tab, set Enable the DDNS client to No. This will prevent external access. Select USB application, then Server Center, and configure media server settings as shown. Change the media server name if needed. Select the FTP Share tab and configure settings as shown. Under Admin Access, ensure the router's administrator has read and write access to all folders. Create a user account. Enter the account name and password. Now, set permission for the Cheesecake user account. Use these buttons to create, delete, and modify folders as needed. Click on Save and you are ready to use FTP on your LAN.